Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Myself Champak Pal, and I am going to start from today and onwards the problems related to organic chemistry, especially in the field of joint entrance examinations, medical examinations and many other competitive exams. So before discussing the problem, you have to learn or study properly the chapters related in class 11 and 12 standard syllabus. So you can connect with me. So let's start with the problem. Initially I am going to start the problems chapter wise, and after that I will discuss randomly. So today I will start with carbonyl compounds, that is aldehydes and ketones. I will discuss the problems which were appear in previous years. So listen carefully. Okay. First question is, a single compound with the formula this has obtainable from which of the following four compounds after ozonolysis. Okay, so you have to read the question properly and understand the question. Okay, so here the question is, among these four compounds which one gives this compound after ozonolysis. Okay, so before starting it, you have to know about ozonolysis reaction. So I will discuss shortly about ozonolysis reaction. So ozone reacts with unsaturated compounds, that means alkenes and alkynes. So I show here these all compounds are alkenes. Okay, so I show here how alkene reacts with ozone to give products. Let's start with simplest compounds like ethylene. So when it's react with ozone, if initially a ozonate compound is formed, which has the structure following like this. Okay, when this is react with zinc and water, here breaks down and we will get the CH2O, two molecules. Here same products, here also equal products. So two molecules of CH2O, that means it is formaldehyde, or how can it be written? HCHO. These all are equal. So formaldehyde, 2 moles of formaldehyde. So after ozonolysis of ethylene, we get 2 molecules of formaldehyde. This is the process of ozonolysis of alkene. Okay. So I will show a simple way. So what happens here? These bonds are broken after ozonolysis. So what will we get? So this is simple process, that here breaks down and we get double bond O, that is carbonyl compounds, and here it is the formaldehyde, 2 moles of formaldehyde, 2 molecules of formaldehyde. Okay, so this is the process actually. Okay, any alkene will give this type of product when breaking of bond occurred in between pi bonds or double bonds. Okay, so reverse process we can get, what we can get if we arrange the compounds, these formaldehydes like this, and eliminate oxygen atoms from here, and we get the initial compound CH2 double bond CH2. This is the product. So it is the process of ozonolysis. Okay, let's discuss the problem. So we can solve the problem two ways. I will discuss both ways. So initially I start the simple way, that is take the compound and break them in that position, that is where the pi bond is situated, that is double bond is present. Okay, so compound A, if we take compound A, after breaking of this bond we will get here double bond O, and here also double bond O will be occurred. Okay, so CH3, sorry, CH3 double bond O, CH2, CH3, CH2, CH double bond O. Okay, so if you number the compound, then it will be more easier. here 1 2 3 4 5 membered. Okay, so if you put numbers, then it will more visualize like this. So this is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so one position C, double bond O, here breakage and oxygen is inserted. So C CH3, number 2 CH2, number 3 CH CH3, number 4 CH2, number 5 CH double bond O. Okay, similarly all products will be broken similarly and give carbonyl compounds. Look, when B is reacted and breakage, we will get C H3 double bond O, CH2 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 CH CH3 double bond O, sorry, H not present there, double bond O. If we break the product C or react with ozonolysis, we will get C double bond O, H, C, CH3 CH3 CH2 CH2 CHO. Okay, and if we ozonolyze the last compound, we will get, so C CH3 double bond O, CH2 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 C CH3 double bond O. So these 4 products we will get after ozonolysis from the given compounds. Ozone reacted followed by zinc water, we will get these products. So which one match or similar to this compound? Okay, so if we give number here also, so we will get 1 2 3 4 5 number carbon. Okay, so which one similar of these compounds? See, one COCH3, so one position COCH3, here COCH3 but CHO here, so this will not the product. Look this compound, product C, COCH3 here not present, COCH3 not present, so this will not the also product. COCH3 here present, here both side COCH3 present, but here COCH3 and another side CHO, so this will also not the actual product. Look here, so if we number here 1 2 3 4 5, look, 1 COCH3 CH2 number 3 carbon CH3, number 4 number 5 CHO, so this product merge with this given compound, so the actual answer is product A. Okay, okay, this is one way. And another way how we will get the product, that means reverse way. Reverse means we arrange the products in that way, the oxygen atoms are phase similar, and eliminate the oxygen atoms and we will get the starting alkene. Okay, so we arrange this compound like cyclic type. Let's start CO, CH3 here, then CH2, then CH3, then CH2, then CHO, CH double bond O. So we will apply the back process. Okay, so if we numbered here 1 2 3 4 5 member ring, okay, 1 2 3 4 5, aldehyde group is 5 number. So here if we eliminate the both oxygen atoms and joint these both carbons with pi bond, double bond, we will get a 5 member ring. Just put the numbers, we take any position 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so 1 and 5 position joint with pi bond, so 1 and 5 position joint with pi bond, double bond. Okay, one position here one methyl group is present, so here we will put a methyl group. To 3 position also present a methyl group, to 3 position also present a methyl group. Okay, 4 5 is joint. So this is the starting compound, and inversely if we break here we will get this product. So this is also the simplest way. You can apply both of this. If which one is, if you feel easier, then that technique you will apply. So that's the problem. Okay. Next problem is, if cyclohexanone is treated with base and heating it, what product we will get among these four compounds? Okay, so aldehydes and ketones containing alpha hydrogen atoms with dilute alkali, and it gives a alpha beta unsaturated product. So the reaction is known as aldol condensation. Okay, so it is self condensation reaction, same molecules react with each other. So let's start. So the formula of cyclohexanone is this. So two molecules of cyclohexanone reacts with each other. Okay, so in presence of base as catalyst, when base is reacted, here the hydrogen atoms present. In respect of carbonyl CO group, keto group, the alpha hydrogens are present. So here it's alpha, alpha dash, similar hydrogen atoms. So these are acidic because of presence of CO group. Okay, so when base is reacted, then a proton is eliminated and water elimination occurred. We will get what? A carbanion is obtained. Okay, so this is resonance stabilized compound. Okay, how? Here it is, here. So what happened? O minus double. So this is resonance stabilized carbanion. Okay, so when another molecule is reacted, what happened? Look. Okay, so pi bond is one. Here pi bond is on the carbon atom. This minus ion will attack the electrophile. Okay, so carbanion, this carbanion is nucleophile. It will attack the electrophile, that is carbonyl carbon atom, and pi bond is on the oxygen atom. Okay, so what will you get? Here C double bond O, this one, and from here a new bond is formed here, here, to which carbon atom? This carbonyl carbon atom, this carbonyl carbon atom. Okay, and here oxygen atom gets minus charged. Okay, so this will form when these two reacts, and from the medium it takes up a proton from medium, so we will get the product like. So when heating this compound, here elimination of water takes place from here. ठीक है, H2O, that is here it is, here it goes away. Okay, so a pi bond is, so what will be the final product? So this is the final product. Here a pi bond is formed, that is known as aldol condensation. A alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound is formed. Okay, so this is the process. So this compound merge with which of the following given compounds? Let's look. Here two double bond O, so this is not, here OH, this is also not, here also OH, this is not, and this is similar like the option B. So B is the final answer. Okay. Problem is, polarization of electrons of acrolein may be represented at which of the following structure? Okay, so acrolein, the structure of acrolein is CHO. This is aldehyde group CHO. Okay, so this is called acrolein, and here due to the minus M effect, minus M means mesomeric effect, or simply the CO group attracts electrons towards itself. Okay, aldehyde or ketone, both compounds, both groups. So minus M or mesomeric effect, it attracts electrons towards itself. So pi electron migrate here and it will resonance like this one, and oxygen gets minus charged. Okay, so CH2, here it is single bond, CH here double bond, C hydrogen, oxygen gets minus charge. Okay, and here pi electrons shift from this carbon, so it gets positive charge. So this is the resonance structure of acrolein. So it is, if I draw in form of partial charge, then I will, or we will write it like this. Sorry. So this compound, if I write it in partial charges, then it will get the partial positive charge here, because positive charge is here, so partial positive charge is here, minus charge is on oxygen atom, so here partial negative charge in oxygen atom. So this is the partial charged structure of acrolein. Okay, so here this compound is similar to which of the compound? You see, compound option A. So this is the answer. Okay, all for today. I will discuss more problems on next class, and if you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. That's why you get notified by my new videos. And be happy, be healthy. Thank you for watching my video.